Hi and welcome to Harley Classics, and today we're back with another classic for you. This one is a superb example. There's only 13 left of this body on the register on the road today. I think there was around about 20 or so different bodied ones registered. It's a 1936 Triumph Vitesse. Now a lot of people out there who are watching this video will think Triumph Vitesse, they'll think of the small, boxy 1950s, 60s car with the little fin tails on. But this one is the original Vitesse. So 1936, so a couple of years before the war, pre-war, and this is how Triumph used to make cars. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a small car, but it's got really big looks. To me, it looks like a little Bentley. So if you haven't got a lot of garage space and you want something, you know, that looks like a Bentley, that's your car. Quick walk around the car. We'll start at the front. Chrome works in really good condition. Lights, the grille looks gorgeous, chromed, bumper, etc. The car is used. I mean, it's 1936, so it's 80 odd year old, isn't it? 90-year-old or something. So it's going to have the odd mark or so on it, but generally it's in really good condition. Paintwork wise, we'll start. Quick look at the bonnet. The bonnet's really good condition, and wings. There's a couple of marks here on the window posts, one on the other side, a couple of cracks. You could address it or you could just leave it, whatever you want to do. I like to be honest. I like to tell people, because if people are travelling a long way to come and see the car, or people are just buying the cars over the phone, you know, I don't want them to get the car and say, oh, there's a mark there. There is a mark there. We'll have a walk around the car. Again, the roof looks nice and straight. It's got a sunroof. Sunroofs are notorious for leaking. We haven't tested this one. I'm not saying it'll leak. I'm not saying it won't. But a car of this age, you're going to have to expect you probably will get a bit of dampness in your car if you leave it outside, or, you know, absolutely tips down. So just so you know, there's a lot of people out there think these old-fashioned sunroofs perform the same as a modern sunroof, and no, they don't. Moving on the back, there's a couple of bits of blisters here on the paint. Actually, I don't know whether it's a run or a blister when it was painted. This side, more or less a mirror image of the other side. There's a trafficator missing here. We've got one on order, so that will have a trafficator in, although the car's been fitted with modern indicators, which is a good thing. Inside the car, we'll have a quick look. Interior wise, lovely door cards on them, nice art deco. Couple of marks on the seats here, but nothing really to write home about. The carpets are good, headlining's nice, door cappings and all the gauges look nice. In the back, looks a nice little place to be if you're taking somebody out for the lunch on a Sunday drive or a car show. Again, lovely. And what I do like about these is the holes in the back of the seats. So you've got your holes in there for magazines or whatever you want to put in the back. Have a quick look at the engine. So it's a little, well, it's not so little, it's an 1800cc 4-cylinder petrol, twin SUs on there, developing 60 horsepower, I believe, when new. So it's quite a lively little engine for the size of car. If you didn't have this car with somebody looking around it like myself, and you had it standing by yourself, you'd think it was a larger car. It really does look like a bigger vehicle. Wheels and tyres are decent on it. If you ever have a quick look round the wheels and tyres, have a look at the tread on them, pretty good. They're more or less all the same all the way around. I will show you them though, so you can get an idea. The chrome spinners on there, nice as well. This one more is the same. The spare wheel cover does hide a spare wheel, so there is a spare wheel with it. Oh, boot! I never opened the boot, did I? So the boot, there's the boot. Not a lot to see in there really. I think that one's adjusting actually, because it catches that spare wheel cover when it goes out there. So there you have it really. It's a 1936 Triumph Vitesse in what I would say good condition. The car's had £33,000 worth of expenditure recently on it, and the bills are in there to prove it. And it was also restored in the early 1990s, where 90% of the ash frame was replaced and the body panels. So basically it's a rebuilt car. So for £33,000 worth of expenditure, this car is less than half that. So if you want to get yourself a bargain, you want to get yourself a pre-war car, you want to get yourself something that looks like a little Bentley, this is what you want. So over to you, Patrick, drive it away. So if you like this video or any of the videos we do on the classic cars, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really does help us. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, watch the videos on TikTok. Like I say, it really does help us, and it makes me want to go out there and find some more interesting stuff. Bye bye now.